Today, we're going to be talking about one of LinkedIn's features, which is Sales Navigator. Now, there are prospecting and recruiting script strategies and tactics that work better during the summer than at any other time of the year. Now, over the last 7 or 8 months, we have developed strategies and we have developed monthly scripts revolving around the holidays, official holidays and unofficial holidays, that give you the opportunity to open up conversations with people. Now, when used correctly, they will enable you to quadruple the size of your existing network and experience significant rank advancement before the end of the summer. So today, we're going to talk about the easy way to use LinkedIn's Sales Navigator, which is not free, although we're going to give you some strategies that you can use because you can use LinkedIn for free. Let me change screens, talk about Sales Navigator. Now, quite honest, when it comes to looking for people, the free LinkedIn service will work. All you have to do is come up here to the top. You're looking for people in sales on LinkedIn. You've got 55,200,000 people in sales. And what LinkedIn is starting to do, because of the overwhelming number of network marketers and marketers that are pouring onto LinkedIn, doing all kinds of nasty things, annoying things, they're encouraging everybody to start replacing the connect button with the follow button. And we've already explained how you can use the back door to connect with these people. Now, what you have to love about LinkedIn, number one, you have access to 850 million professionals. And you could search for people by their profession. Then we could come over here, we could search for people by their location. United States, Florida, a city, an area. And you could filter it down. All kinds of filters to get down to the people that you want to talk to. My friends, leads are free. This is available to you on LinkedIn right now. You don't have to pay for it. Sales Navigator is one of their paid features. And frankly, what it's going to do when you use it correctly is it's going to save you a lot of time. Because just because these people are in sales does not mean that they want to talk to you. Does not mean that they're active on here. You know, people create a profile on LinkedIn 10 years ago and they haven't been back. Haven't been back. So we could filter this down and we could say, show me all of the people that are interested in beauty. Got 1 million. Show me all the people that are nurses. 5.3 million. Show me all of the people that are interested in fitness. 2.4 million. Show me all the people in fitness or better than that, show me all the people who are looking for an opportunity in sales. You got 43,000 people in sales that are looking for an opportunity. Sounds great, doesn't it? Your challenge is not all of these people are current, are active. Some of these folks created a profile 10 years ago, 11 years ago, and haven't been back. So reaching out, and some people will pop on here and they'll just go connect, 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 connect. And when you send enough connect requests to people that have not been active, what's going to happen is LinkedIn's algorithm is going to pick that up and they're going to say, uh-oh, no. This person is they don't even know you're a person. It could be a robot. And the bottom line is you end up getting shut down or you end up in LinkedIn jail. That's right, my friends. LinkedIn now has a LinkedIn jail. You reach out to the wrong people, you will end up getting your opportunity to reach out to people restricted and then ultimately eliminated. So, most effective way to use this is we're looking for salespeople, looking for an opportunity. And now when we've got our search, 43,000 people, now we're going to go over to Sales Navigator. Now, when you're doing a search with keywords, we're getting search results 380,000. That's a far cry different from 43,000. What's the difference? Sales Navigator is digging deep into whatever's on their profile, picking this stuff up. Now, what we can do is we can come over here to geography. And for those of you that have been using it, you're going to notice they're changing everything up. Previously, you'd look in Canada, you'd look in the United States, you'd look in Mexico. That would be how you would get North America. Well, now you got North America right here. You can search for people by zip code or distance from a particular zip code. From a mile to 100 miles. How many people can be found within 35 miles of a particular zip code? Unlimited access to people. Come over here and let's talk about Sales Navigator. When you go to get it, you want Sales Navigator Core. They've got different types of advanced programs. Remember, the basic LinkedIn is free. So you go to Sales Navigator Core. Now, you can buy it, and they say pay as little as $79.99 a month when billed annually. You do not want to buy it annually. What you want to do is you want to pay for it monthly. And when you pay for it monthly, it's going to be $99 a month. So what I'm going to suggest to you, when you try it, remember, they're going to give you 30 days free. And a week before the trial period is up, they're going to send you a little notice telling you in 7 days, we're going to bill you. So what you can do is when you get that notice, you tell them, I don't want it. Thank you very much. It didn't quite fit my needs. And they will come back and they will offer you another 2 months at half price. So that's going to give you 90 days to decide whether you want it. Now, they have a lot of components. One of them is 50 in-mails a month. You don't care about in-mails. Sending in-mails, which is the way LinkedIn lets you email each other, people you don't know, is not the most effective way to use it to communicate with folks. We're going to show you a better way. You don't care about the in-mails. There are limitations. You can see who's viewed your profile in the last 90 days. That's good. Whatever. The most important part of Sales Navigator is the advanced lead search. That's the most important one. Then who's looked at your profile in the last 90 days. And then the other thing is the open profile. When you're paying for it, you have that LinkedIn icon on your profile, which tells everybody, whether they're in your network or outside your network, you're telling everybody that, hey, I got an open profile. I want to talk to anybody. And anybody that sees your profile can start talking to you. That's the value. Your monthly fee is going to be $99. Well, figure $100 a month. They've got some other interesting features. But what you really want, that advanced search, see who's looked at your profile. So when you go to order it, the default setting will charge you for it on an annual basis. You want to make sure you change it to monthly, and you'll be good to go.